To those who have received vehicles and cash, povo, masoja, police, CIO, cash from this Uganda, tambirai motokari, tambirai cash, but musatengese revolution. These gifts are not tokens of appreciation. They are tools of control. They are designed to pacify, to distract, to buy silence. But what is the cost? If you sell your voice today, you sell your children's tomorrow. Sarabera mashoka ruda pangwa ine kunawana rusifa my gifts pangwa ine monyorwa tsamba a message redirected to you. Ndoba subscribe or like out on the bell kuti pita pangwa ine anendra mberi achiti. If you allow this Mafiti dynasty to take root, you are not just endorsing corruption, you are entrenching a system that will choke every future generation. As Tendai Ruben Bofana writes, the reason these individuals Uganda are missing from global wealth rankings is simple: their wealth cannot be verified, traced, or backed by legitimate enterprise. Unlike Africa's true business giants, Strive Masiwa, Aliko Dangote, Nassef Suris, whose assets are transparent and audited. The Uganda operate in shadows. Their empires are built on tenders, not transparency. This is a call to conscience, to the soldiers, the police, the civil servants, the ordinary citizens. Your silence is not neutral, it is complicit. The revolution is not for sale. The future is not a luxury car. It is your child's education, your community's dignity, your nation's soul. Zimbabwe stands at a crossroads. One path leads to a destiny of looters, the other to a republic of accountability. The choice is ours, but only if we refuse to be bought. Batai Manzwi, speak truth, defend the revolution. Thomas Karuda Pangwa inaitwa nana chipo siziwa achia achitora pamusoro pevanhu vari kubvuma mabribes kuti aiwa muri kutengesa future vana venyu panguva ine. Ibudise mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina kumese kuchemedza mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.